Alright guys, welcome back to the garage. I know I said in the next video we were going to talk about the gauges and the wiring diagram and stuff like that, but I'd actually like to interact with you guys. From episode 1, I've got a comment from Ruby Wan. It says, yes more. Details on how the center console attaches, etc. would be nice. So I'm going to reply to that email in YouTube. I thought, let's make it a video. So there's good news and bad news. Bad news, we're not on the water yet. Good news, we're going to get there. Planning to take the boat out tomorrow. In the meantime, let's talk about the consoles and the benches. This is the Whaly Bench. As I mentioned before, I bought 2 benches in the center console. So this is my spare bench. I don't know exactly what I planned for it because there's more than enough seating around the outside of the boat. You don't need this bench to sit on the inside. Maybe a live well. Maybe something like that. The truth is, these just slot right in. The Whaly has the cutouts for it, and they just pop right in. However, I didn't like the play in it, especially for the seat that I was going to be sitting on. So I made, of course, some modifications. Put this down. I made wedges. So my center console and my bench that's in there are not just slotted in, they're slotted in, and then these wedges, if I can see that, are hammered in to prevent any excess movement. Worked pretty well. How did I make these? Simple PVC pipe. 2-inch PVC pipe cut down. I think I took some calipers and measured the cutout in the boat. It was about that size. Figured if you cut it in half, round off the edges, make it nice and bare leg friendly in case, you know, ones were to ride up mid cruise or something. So yeah, that's what I did. I'll take you in the boat. We'll pop this one in. Alright, as mentioned before, here's my extra bench. And I really did just cut those out of a 2-inch PVC pipe. And this is the slot that this part of the bench goes down into. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. All right, let's give this a shot. You can see what I mean by the free play. Take that. And if you'd like, use another wedge or the full pipe to get rid of those bare leg problems I was talking about earlier. Just like that. Do the same on the other side, and your bench will move the boat. Well, that's how I did it. How'd you do yours? I like this kind of feedback. I'd love to know exactly how you guys are rigging your Whalys out. See you next time.
Device.